Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll delve into the exciting world of AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Whether you're a novice or have some experience, together we will explore how these powerful tools can enhance your creativity, work, or everyday life. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing AI tools. To begin using ChatGPT, simply visit the OpenAI website at www.openai.com. You can sign up or log in if you already have an account. For Midjourney, head over to their Discord server. If you haven't done so, create a Discord account first. Once signed in, you'll have access to the AI tools you wish to use. Moving on to Step 2, using basic features. For ChatGPT, just enter a question or task. For example, write a short paragraph about sustainability. The AI will quickly generate a response you can use or tweak. With Midjourney, initiate by entering a prompt like, "Imagine a futuristic city at sunset." Midjourney will create an image based on your description. Now let's explore Step 3. Advanced features. ChatGPT can do much more beyond simple answers. Use it for brainstorming, drafting lengthy texts, or even programming. Test complex prompts such as "Help me develop a marketing strategy for a new product." Utilize specific instructions for better outcomes. In Midjourney, experiment with different styles and parameters. Use commands like "Nash v4 for an alternative version or Nash Q2 for higher quality, refining the image to meet your needs. Finally, Step 4. Safe use and limitations. While AI tools are impressive, responsible use is key. Verify outputs as AI may sometimes produce incorrect or biased information. Be mindful of ethical considerations like privacy and bias. Use AI for support, but always exercise judgment. To wrap up, that's how you can utilize AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. With these insights, you're ready to enhance your workflow or creative projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Until next time.